Hey everyone, hey everyone. Today we are talking about a quickly journey into Sri Lankan past, exploring old management style that we don't use much more, but we still learn from. The trust me, there there's a lot of wisdom in these old schools way. Old schools mean the past era that we get from us. So back in the day, Sri Lanka, a village were managed by the Gamarala or the village leader. He wasn't selected but respected. He coordinated farming, water usage, and tax and settled disputes. All the based on trust and tradition, not contract on KPIs. Today, while we have modern managers and HR system, we still study this model to understand community-based leadership to emotional intelligence. During British rule, Sri Lanka had a very hierarchical management system. Think top-down control, discipline, and paperwork. Plantation managers were like mini kings and was rigid but ancient, efficient in some ways. Now we shifted to the more agile and flexible model, but in the business schools we still study that era, learn about structure, authority, and the discipline in operations. Before globalizations, many business there have a family run. Decisions were made by elders with strong values and long-term thinking. No fancy spreadsheets, just institution and trust. Now we focus more a data strategy, but still admire loyalty ethics. So people were all ways are no longer used. They still shape our thinking. Leaders' empathy, discipline, timeless values, and the modern management can't ignore. If you found this interesting, drop a comment below. And what traditional methods do you think we should bring back? Cheers. Till the next time, stay curious and connect with me. Stay connected.